Hello everyone, how all of you are doing today? So the company we're going to look at today is Ujaas Energy. A lot of people are interested in wanting to invest in a good solar power company right now. So I selected this company. This is a company that I've been following for some time, and this is a company I had an opportunity to invest into a few months back and make a good profit out of. So we'll just have a look at what they deal with. It was incorporated in the year 1999. They engage in the generation of solar power and manufacturing, sales, and services of solar power plants, projects, and manufacturing and sales of electric vehicles. So they're very much into the solar power game right now. So we'll just have a look at some of the projects that they've done. One is the Ujaas Park. So they've done projects in Sitmau, that is in Madhya Pradesh. Then they have done it in the city of Burcha, then Ichawar, and then they've done it in Rojhani, Susnar, and of course Barod. So many cities. These are just a few for an example. And another project is the Ujaas My Site. So they've done the Roots Country School, that is in Shimla, a project over there. Gyan Raman Charitable Trust, which is in Abu Road. Then they've done one in the Board of Revenue, which is again in Lucknow. Collectorate Barely, which is Uttar Pradesh again. These are just so many. You can see so many projects done. So they've done a lot of projects. These are just a few I've given you an example of. And there's Ujaas Home, that is the home projects that they've done. One in Uttar Pradesh, one in Rajasthan, another one in Rajasthan. These are just a few projects that they've done. Then there's the Ujaas EPC. That they have done it where in Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited. So that is a bank project. And there's Aligarh Muslim University. Then they've done it in the Vizag Steel Plant, the Airport Authority of India, and then the Oil India Limited, Daman and Dio Electricity Department. These are just a few examples of what they have done. So we've done a lot of projects, right? Now, let me just let you know a little bit about the fundamentals of this company. Market cap of over 2,000 crores, stock PE of 57.6, which is a little bit on the higher side as of now. The ROC of 14, ROE, which is amazing, 55.2. 20 to 25 itself is healthy. So you can imagine how good it is. So the book value at rupees 8.47, which is all right, not bad. But then the current price is 211 rupees. The high was just a little bit more, 216 rupees. Low, have a look at this, just 7 rupees. No dividend yield. The face value of 1 rupee. Now, importantly, we need to look into one thing, that is the price history of the stock. This is something I urge everyone to look at when they are thinking of investing into a company. So which year did they start? 2011, good price, right? 133 rupees. And as you can see, straight climb down to just 19 rupees in a few months in Jan of 2012. Then it again went up to rupees 84 in Feb of 13. It hovered around that area till October of 2013, and then it climbed down again to rupees 32 in December of 2013, and again a straight climb up, a good climb, over 100 rupees, 134 rupees in June of 2014, right? So then there was kind of a consolidation stage, and then they came down to 71 rupees August of 2015. Then again another climb of 100 rupees January of 2016, and then a major climb, right? A big climb, 180 rupees in December of 2016. But from here on, it's just been downhill. Look at this, downhill, downhill, downhill. It came all the way down to 8 rupees in March of 2020. That's again understood because, COVID started around that time, but then it was already under the ascent, or a descent, not ascent, sorry. So then it again went up slightly, 31 rupees of June of 2020, and then it had hardly gone up, right? And it had gone down to single digits, and all the way till November of 2023. It was just 7 rupees and 87 pies, right? And just have a look at this climb. 7 rupees. November till now, which is June of 2024, 211 rupees. That's just wild, right? 10, 20, 30 times it's gone up. Can you just imagine that climb, right? 30 times the amount. Now, what does that give you an idea? This is a clear indication that the quarter was good, right? They must have had a really good quarter. So let's just have a look at that and see. Let's have a look at the financials of this stock, which I feel are really, really important to look into, right? So let's look at the profit and loss statement. So from 2013 all the way till 2019, they made a profit. 27 crores, 37 crores, 12 crores, 21 crores, 36 crores, 17 crores and 7 crores. And as you can see, from March of 2022, March of 2023, the losses were pretty high. Minus 13 crores, minus 30 crores, minus 110, which is really bad. And minus 17 crores in March of 2023. And as already predicted, right, as you just have to look at the price, how it went up, right? March of 2024, this quarter, they made 29 crores. So they're back in the profit game. Now let's just see the quarter. See, March of 2021 all the way till September of 2023, they were making losses. And as I already told you all, December of 2023, the quarter was good. Results were good. They made 45 crores. 45 crores. That's huge, right? But then again, March of 24, they made minus 4. But then this more or less made up for it, right? So that again explains, that's one of the reasons. I'll tell you another reason why it's gone up. Let's have a look at the liabilities and the reserves. This is also important. Liabilities in 2024 are 111 crores, which is not so much. At the same time, they do have over 100 crore liability. The one very positive thing over here is they have reserves that almost match the liability, 79 crores. So that's a very, very positive sign for this company. Very good sign. Now, the other reason. June of 2021 all the way till December of 2023. What are you seeing here? Just 0.1% of promoter holding is there. Would anybody invest into a company like this? This is one of the primary reasons why I did not invest. I'm giving you my main reason we are not investing this. Because promoters aren't people that sell their stakes in case something happens, like a loss or something like that takes place. Public, on the whole, follow the herd mentality. Once one sells, everyone starts selling, and then that creates a panic system, and then that would really crash the price of the stock down in no time. But since the promoters themselves had no faith in this, I had no reason to really buy into the stock at that time. Just have a look at what happened. After that quarter, the promoter holding has increased to 94.97%, which is humongous, right? So as you can see, June of 2021, there were 84,000 shareholders, and that had gone all the way up to over 1,25,000 and maintained till December of 2023. These were mostly public shareholders, as you can see over here, right? 99%, 99, all the way to 100% here. But now it's just 5% public hold shares, right? So 58,000 now. Now it begs the question, is it a good time to invest in this solar power company? To be very exact, not now, because it's near its all-time high. Whenever a company's price is near its all-time high, it is not a good time to invest in any company, leave alone this company. And again, the PE ratio is going up. I don't see why this company's stock may get corrected right now, because once the PE ratio becomes very high, then that will create instability in the stock and may most likely cause the stock's price to have a major correction and come down at that time. But not now, not any time now. At the same time, this is not a good time to buy into this stock. If at all, the price of the stock comes down to say 80 rupees or maybe 100 rupees, around that range, it would be not a bad idea to invest maybe 1,000, 1,500 or maybe 2,000 shares in this company. Not more than that. At that price, not advisable to invest more than that number of shares, because you're going to be putting a decent amount of money into it, right? You don't need to block so much of your money for that. 1,000, 1,500, maximum 2,000 shares if you have the money to put it. Then again, since this company has had very bad quarter performances in terms of its finance for the past many years, I would urge all of y'all to wait and see how they are doing financially for a few quarters. If they keep making profits, then it would be wise to invest into this company, say if it goes down to 80 rupees or maybe 100 rupees for a share, the amount that I told you to buy. But then again, keep in mind this is a solar power company, and solar power stocks are a part of our government's portfolio, and they will be highlighted or in the mainstream for another 4 or 5 years at least. So they will be very much in the forefront. So it is not a bad idea to actually invest into this into the long term. Now, will the price of the stock go up, say 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees? I can't really tell that as of now. Again, depends on the quarters. If they're consistent and they keep getting more and more profits, and if the public, tend to have more and more faith in this company, right? So that's how more and more people will invest in this company. I cannot really predict whether it is going to go up to 500, 1,000, or maybe even 1,500 share. Maybe in another 4 or 5 years, if the quarters are very, very consistent. But as of now, at this price, it is not a wise time to invest into the company. Wait for it to come down to say 80 rupees or maybe 100 rupees. At that time, buy 1,000 or maximum 2,000 shares and hold this company for the next 4 or 5 years. And I'm pretty sure if they keep making profits and are consistent with what they're doing, I don't see why the price of this stock won't go up to say maybe 500 or maybe even 1,000 rupees in the next few years, right? So that's it for me today. I hope you all liked this video and got all the information you all needed from it, right? So if you all enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you all could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get updated to the latest and greatest videos that I put up. So that's it for me today, guys. Y'all take care and have a great day ahead.